Hello children, welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Children, in previous class we learnt about Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, isn't it? Yes children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 2, the Northern Mountains part 3 children. Northeastern states. Now we are going to learn about the northeastern states. The northeastern part of India is home to seven states or seven sisters. Why these states are called seven sisters of India? Yes, these northeastern states are often known as the seven sisters children because they are interdependent on one another. All these states are connected to India via Siliguri. Okay. So, that is the only way to reach the seven sisters. Now we will learn about Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in India. Largest state in the northeast children. But it has a very small population. Here, very less people are living. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Here children, the Brahmaputra river enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. Their main occupation is the agriculture. They are growing crops like paddy, millets, maize, wheat, ginger and oilseeds children. Yes children. Then they are growing horticultures and fruit orchards also children. Now we will learn about Manipur. Manipur is the land of hills and valleys. See children, Manipur is the land of hills and valleys. Then the capital of Manipur is Imphal. Their occupation is farming children and weaving also. They also make beautiful things from bamboo, cane and leather. Now I will show that. See children, bamboo, cane and leather. Next we will learn about Meghalaya. Yes children, the Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Meghalaya means what children? Abode of clouds. That is called. See, because the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. It is a very beautiful hill station children. People of this state being to the Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. See children, Meghalaya. It is the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong, which is a very beautiful hill station. See, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia is the tributes or tribes. They grow paddy, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapples and oranges also. Yes children. Next we will learn about Mizoram. Mizoram is a land of hills with its capital at Aizawl. Mizoram's capital is Aizawl. Yes children, the main language spoken here it is Mizo and English. They are speaking English and Mizo. Their occupation is also agriculture children. Next, we learn about Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. See children, it is a hilly area covered with thick vegetation. The Naga tribes dominate here and their dance is popular all over India children. See, their dance is very popular. They like to wear colorful clothes decorated with shells, bones, ivory feathers and horns. See, shells, bones, ivory, feathers. Yes, children. Ivory means the main part of the tusks of an elephant. Means, see here, tusks, anedanta. Okay. Yes, children. These are their ornaments. Shells, bones, ivory. Then feathers also they are using. Horns also they are using, children. This is all about the people of Nagaland. See, children. New words. Glacier. Snow. Moving river of ice. Firon. A long woolen kurta. Jammu and Kashmiri people wearing. Paradise means heaven. Beautiful place. The northern mountains include the Himalaya and the Karakoram mountain ranges. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, lies in the Himalayas. The great Himalayan ranges are the highest and remain covered with snow throughout the year. There are many beautiful valleys and passes in the middle Himalaya ranges. The thick forests in Shivalik ranges are full of wild animals, children. The northern mountains region includes Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, the northern part of West Bengal and the northeastern states. Yes, children. Now we will learn about textbook activities. All of you take out your textbook page number 111. Tick the correct answer. Yes, children. In which country is Mount Everest located? Yes, children. Yes, Nepal. Second one, the foothills of the Shivalik are called Terai. Yes, children. Terai, isn't it? Already explained that. Terai means what? The lowland area. Okay? Yes, a special type of tea. Kava. Jammu and Kashmiri people are drinking kava. Okay? Next, which state is famous for the beautiful orchids? Yes, children. Sikkim. Sikkim is famous for beautiful orchids. Which state is famous for the beautiful orchids? Yes, children. Sikkim. What is the meaning of Meghalaya? The abode of clouds. Don't get confused. Not abode of snow. It is the abode of clouds. Yes, children. As the following: Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Sikkim, Gangtok, Mizoram, Aizawl, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong. Okay, children, this is the match the following. Next, we will learn about true or false. Yes. The Himalayas are between 150 and 400 km wide. Yes, children, it is correct. Bachendri Pal climbed Mount Everest in 1984. Yes, children, this is also true. The Shivalik ranges are located in the extreme north. False, children. The Shivalik ranges are located in the extreme south, children. Jammu and Kashmir is called the paradise on the earth. Yes, it's true. Dasra is a popular festival in Kulu and Kangra valleys. Yes, children, it is also correct. True it is. Next, fill in the blanks. The word Himalayas means abode of snow. The two very high peaks in Great Himalayan ranges are the Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. Kashmiris wear a long woolen garment called the firan. Darjeeling is in the north of West Bengal. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Okay, children, all of you write in your textbook. I will check each and everyone's textbook in the online class, children. Okay? Yes. Thank you, children.